Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited to share my latest Sephora finds, a mix of skincare and glowy makeup that I'm really loving right now. From hydrating toners to bronzy gels and juicy lip tints, I've got 10 products that seriously impress me. If you're into that hydrated, glowing skin vibe, this video's for you. Let's dive in. First up is the Charlotte Tilbury Healthy Glow All Year Hydrating Tint. This is one of those magic skin type of products. It's a lightweight moisturizer that adjusts to your skin tone and gives a subtle, bronzy tint. It hydrates and gives you that fresh, sun-kissed look without needing foundation. I love how natural this looks on the skin. It comes out as a white cream, but once you blend it in, it gives this warm, healthy glow. It's super sheer, more of a skin enhancer than coverage, but it really makes you look alive. I think this is perfect for no makeup days or vacation. I like to wear it on its own with a bit of brow gel and cream blush, and you're good to go. Okay, this bronzer is so underrated. It's the RMS Beauty Redimension Hydra Powder Bronzer. It's a powder bronzer, but with a super smooth, almost creamy texture. It's made with clean ingredients and has a slight sheen, so it gives warmth and a natural-looking radiance. This blends like a dream. It's not too orange, not muddy, just that perfect sun-kissed tone. I've been using it with a fluffy brush and applying it to my cheeks, temples, and even across the nose for that beachy glow. What I love is that it never looks powdery. Even on bare skin, it just melts in and makes your skin look alive. If you're into bronzers that sculpt but still keep it soft and glowy, this one's a win. This one is so fun. It's the Milk Makeup Cooling Water Jelly Tint in the shade Spritz. It's a jelly-textured lip and cheek tint that literally feels like cold water when you apply it. The color is sheer but buildable, and it gives you that juicy, just bitten flush. You can swipe it directly on bare skin or dab it over foundation. It blends best with fingers, and the cooling effect is really nice, especially in warmer weather. This is going straight in my summer makeup bag. The texture is unique. It kind of melts into your skin, and it doesn't feel sticky at all. The color Spritz is this pretty pinky red that looks super natural. Now this is a glow lover's dream. The SAIE Sunglow Glowy Super Gel in the shade Sunglow. It's a sheer, gel-based luminizer you can wear alone, under makeup, or even mixed into your foundation or moisturizer. It gives your skin a lit from within glow without glitter, just pure dewiness. I like to press a little into the high points of my face with my fingers after makeup too. It layers really well and never pills. If you're into glass skin vibes or soft, bronzy glow, this is it. I've been using this under makeup and sometimes just on bare skin. It feels super lightweight and hydrating, and the glow is so natural, like golden hour in a bottle. I think it's a great product. There is only one drawback: I don't like the smell. Next up, the DIOR Forever Glow Maximizer in the shade Rosy. This is luxury glow at its finest. It's a multi-use liquid highlighter you can use on the high points of your face, mix into foundation, or even wear as blush depending on the shade. Rosy gives that soft, flushed glow with just the right amount of light reflection. The formula is silky and blends out effortlessly. I've been using it before on my cheekbones and eyelids, and it gives the prettiest soft focus glow. Not glittery, just radiant and healthy looking. You only need the tiniest bit. I love mixing it with my SAIE Glowy Super Gel for that extra punch of glow, or dabbing it on top of blush for a dimensional, luminous finish. Definitely one of those little luxury products that makes a big impact. We are now switching to my purchased skincare. Let's talk about one of the most hyped serums out there, the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dew Drops. This is a hybrid serum meets highlighter. It's packed with niacinamide to help even out skin tone, and it also gives this super pretty, dewy finish on the skin. You can use it under makeup, like a glowy primer, or even on top of makeup as a highlighter. I love dabbing a little on my cheekbones or even down the bridge of my nose for that glass skin vibe. I've used it a few times, and honestly, it makes your skin look so fresh and radiant. It's not sticky, it sinks in quickly, and I feel like it adds glow without looking greasy. The packaging is very cute and all the products are fruit inspired. The smell is amazing. It's a very light melon scent. Let's move more into hydration. This is the LANEIGE Cream Skin Cerapeptide Toner. It's like a toner and moisturizer in one. It's super lightweight but really nourishing, packed with ceramides and peptides to help strengthen your skin barrier and lock in moisture. Perfect if your skin is feeling dry or a little sensitive. You can applying it with the hands and just patting it in. It makes the skin feel instantly soft and calm. No tightness, no residue, just smooth and hydrated. If you like a minimalist routine, this can double as your toner and your first layer of moisture. I think it's especially great in colder weather or when your skin needs a reset. It doesn't clog pores, doesn't irritate the skin, and it's fragrance-free. This one's from the same line, the LANEIGE Cerapeptide Mist Broom. Basically, it's the spray version of that creamy toner I just showed you. It's a fine mist that hydrates and soothes your skin throughout the day. It also contains ceramides and peptides, so it's not just refreshing, it actually helps support your skin barrier. I've been using this as a midday pick-me-up or right after cleansing if I don't want to go in with a cotton pad. The mist is super fine, and it doesn't mess up your makeup at all. This lives in my bag now. It's great on dry skin days or if you're flying, or just want a quick glow boost without applying more product. Love that it feels cooling but not sticky. Now let's talk about the LANEIGE WATERBANK Blue Hyaluronic Cream. This one is all about long-lasting hydration. It's a lightweight but super moisturizing cream made with blue hyaluronic acid, which is supposed to absorb deeper and hydrate longer than regular hyaluronic acid. It has this smooth, almost gel cream texture that feels really cooling on the skin. I've been using it as a night cream, and I wake up with my skin feeling soft and balanced. No dryness or irritation. Is the LANEIGE WATERBANK Moisturizer worth it? It's hard to find a nourishing, comforting moisturizer that won't break me out, but LANEIGE's WATERBANK Moisture Cream hits the mark. It's balmy and leaves my skin luminous without shine. This would be great for combo or dehydrated skin. If you're looking for a moisturizer that hydrates without feeling greasy, this is a really solid option. And last, but definitely not least, the Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream. This one's been a cult favorite for a while and now I get why. It's an under eye cream with vitamin C and collagen, designed to brighten dark circles and smooth out fine lines. The banana part comes from the slight yellow tint. It helps instantly brighten under the eyes, kind of like a color corrector but in skincare form. I've been using it in the morning and it layers really well under concealer. It feels light, not greasy, and gives a little glow which makes you look more awake even if you're not. That's my full Sephora haul. 10 new skincare and makeup goodies I'm excited about. Let me know in the comments if you've tried any of these, or if there's something you think I should pick up next. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you love beauty hauls and glowy skin content. I've got more coming soon.